you hear my boyfriend talking in the background, it's because he's playing Fortnite. Quiet on set. Quiet on set. Take one. Ow.
Yep.
To my channel. I'm Julia. Hey. So today we are going to be doing a tutorial and like a review and some swatches and ish on the brand new Patrick Starrr collection. I don't think it has like a name. Oh, it's called Hot and Heavy. I think the name of the collection is called Hot and Heavy. Summer Starrr. I'm just gonna call it the Summer Starrr collection. The summer collection. So let's jump into this video. Let me show you what's in the brand new Patrick Starrr Summer collection. So this collection is the smallest out of the two previous collections that he came out with. The two previous collections both had 2 eyeshadows, I think 2 lip glosses. Well, the first one I think had 3 lip glosses, 3 lipsticks. Check out those reviews here. So this collection comes in a little set, the Summer Starrr collection. It comes with 2 lip glosses, and I'm reading, an eyeshadow palette, and a bronzing powder, and I guess the face powder is sold by itself. This collection is going to be launching on June 7th, so make sure to get it on June 7th if you want it. So I'm feeling like a really, really dewy makeup, so that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna just do this. Here is the little palette. So there are 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. I'm not like obsessed with this palette. I think it's the red that's throwing me off, but the swatches are freaking amazing. So here are all the shades. I mean, they're super, super pretty shades. I'm thinking, when I look at this palette, I think of fire. You guys, this color's called Sandy Crotch. What? Alright, I'm taking Sandy Crotch and I'm gonna make the crotch of my eye nice and sandy. I actually really like this color. This is almost like a more orangey, soft MAC Soft Brown. I love MAC Soft Brown. I'm then taking Brash, and I'm just going to swipe that across my lid. Probably gonna use my finger. I feel like this shadow 100% is so much better with the finger. But I'm also gonna use it to blend into the crease, and I'm just gonna kind of use Sandy Crotch. I can't not laugh every time. I'm gonna use Sandy Crotch as kind of like the transition color for Brash. Then I'm gonna take my Buhe.
Love you.
Love you.
Kick ass in your video.
Thanks, babe.
You're beautiful.
Thanks, babe.
You're sexy. You're cute. AF. And let me tell you one thing only. I love the snakes out of you.
I love you, babe. I'm taking that brown and I'm just gonna kind of put it on the outer corner.
Yeah, you do that right on the outer corner.
I'm gonna pop on some mascara as well as lashes. These lashes, we're gonna try to steer clear or steer away from the Huda Samantha lashes because I just love them so much that I just have to like take a break. These are Smoky Muse from House of Lashes. So now that we're halfway done with the eyes, we're gonna move on to our face. So I'm using this CoverGirl Illuminating.
Huh?
I'm not talking to you, babe.
Sorry.
I'm then using the Clean Slate Timeless Primer from Tarte to smooth out any pores and lines. I'm going to take my NARS concealer in Custard to highlight all of the areas on my face. So now we have the Patrick Starrr Beauty Powder or Face Powder. It is opalescent, so it is not matte. It has a little shine to it. Same packaging going around. So this is the bronzing powder versus the other powder. Packaging is cute. I'm not too big of a fan of zigzags, but it's very like bright and very summery. Oh, so here is that powder. I swatch it on my finger. It's very kind of like gold tinted. I'm almost afraid to use it as a powder, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face with the MAC Patrick Starrr powder, the loose powder. So now I'm going to use the Give Me Life bronzing powder. We're going to bronze the ish out of this face. Now I'm going to go onto this beauty powder. Just super cute on the packaging for the beauty powder. And I'm going to kind of use the beauty powder as like a blush highlight. For my skin tone being lighter, it works so much better as like a highlight. Ooh, that's actually so pretty like that. Adding a little bit of NYX's blush in Dusty Rose to the cheeks. And then I'm going to take some of MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. And I'm just going to use this to highlight more on the areas where I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and play around with Ready right underneath the eyes. Then I'm taking a bit of the brown just to the outer corner. I feel like this look needs a little bit of color in it, so I'm gonna add some of my Urban Decay Goldmine eye pencil in the waterline. On top of that, I'm using this Makeup Forever eyeshadow in M402 just to exaggerate it and make it a lot brighter and more gold and yellowy. Then I'm going to use some of my Benefit 3D Browtones in the color 4 just to give my brows a little more texture. For lips, I'm going to line them with Insanity by Urban Decay and then top it with the liquid lipstick in Forget from the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne collection. Okay, so I finished this look, but I feel like it's missing something and I feel like I'm just like screaming blue. So I'm gonna add a little bit of blue sparkles like on the side of my cheek. So I have these little LA Splash glitters it's called Tantrum Teal. These are old as hell. But I'm gonna spray a little of my MAC Fix Plus Gold Light. Look at how pretty this is. I'm gonna spray this. And with my finger, I'm just gonna tap this on. Then I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Gamma Ray with liquid liner and I'm going to put just a tiny bit right here. Now this is the finished look.